This is my Scratch Junior Project 4, and I used the Boot Up Project 6, I believe it is. It's the fidget spinner one. I did a few variations. Instead of just doing a fidget spinner, I did stars in this galaxy. The point of the project is that when you click on them, they will rotate like a fidget spinner. So you can see when I click on that star, it will spin, and then it stops and spin and stop. The coding on that one is that I did one rotation and repeated that 15 times. On this other star, it rotates the other direction. Instead of repeating, I just put the numbers in on the rotation block. The sun does something a little different. It goes back and forth instead of rotating all the way around. And then I just added this little rocket in for fun. And he'll just keep going. And then you can keep clicking on the stars and the sun and all the stars, and they will keep spinning.